Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to teach you the differences between term life insurance and whole life insurance and help you understand which type best fits your needs. Let's begin with term life insurance. If you had a term life policy, you would make regular monthly payments throughout the term of the policy. The most common options for the policy's term length are 10, 20, or 30 years. If you pass while the policy is in force, the death benefit will be paid out to your listed beneficiaries. At any point during the term, you have the option to convert your term life policy to a whole life policy. Term life policies are simple and affordable. However, there are some cons to term life policies that you should understand. The first is that coverage is limited. In other words, the guaranteed premiums expire. Let me explain why this is a problem. Let's say that you are 35 years old and you purchase a 30-year term life policy. You are young and healthy, which means that you'll get cheaper premiums. That's great. But 30 years down the road, when the premiums expire, you are now 65. You are now older and likely have some sort of health issue. Now, if you go to purchase another term life policy, the premiums will be far more expensive. The second con to term life policies is that they don't build cash value. This, however, is part of whole life policies, in which I will discuss now. With whole life policies, you have the option to make regular payments or to pay a single premium. The single premium option has its advantages, but I will cover those in another video. Whole life policies are also active for your entire lifetime, or until you cancel the policy. Lastly, whole life policies increase in cash value over time. Whole life policies are long-lasting and they build cash value. Let's talk about the cash value growth concept. The cash value of whole life policies grow annually based on paid dividends or earned interest. Simply put, the principal amount earns cash value that increases its worth over time. I don't know about you, but more money sounds good to me. However, just like term life policies, whole life has its cons too. The first is that whole life requires a higher dollar commitment compared to term life. As a result of these higher costs, many people must budget for less coverage. So which policy is right for you? Well, let me ask you this. Are you on a budget? Or do you just want your death benefit to cover your expenses? If you answered yes to either of these, then term life insurance would likely be your best fit. Now let me ask you this. Will your estate be subject to estate tax? Or do you want to put your money into something that will build cash value? If you answered yes to either of these, then whole life insurance would likely be your best fit. Now that you have a good understanding of which life insurance will better fit your needs, it is now your time to act. Call your agent, schedule an appointment, and find the best plan for you. The best plan for you may even be a mixture of term life and whole life. Your options are endless. Thank you for watching. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. Please visit our YouTube channel at Berg Insurance Services if you'd like to learn more tips and tricks to navigate the insurance world.